Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. This time I'm in Python, specifically PyCharm, which I'll put a link in the description. It's very helpful when you're learning Python for the first time. I'm also learning, so this is going to be pretty fun to make tutorials as I learn. And so today we're going to be making a basic AI. It's going to be super simple, super easy, super short. You can add on to it. You can do whatever you would like with it. So first we're gonna type print, and you see it pops up already right there. You're just gonna press enter, so it's automatically gonna put let me just give a little space. Put the parentheses around it. Now that is okay. You're gonna go inside them and put quotation marks. Just press it once, it'll automatically put two. So what print does is it's telling the AI to say what is ever in those parentheses within those quotation marks. So I could say, "Hi, I'm ScarDev," like that. And then if I go and press run, it'll say right here, "Hi, I am ScarDev." Okay. So now if we exit out of that, we can say, "Hi, I'm an AI." Okay. Now same thing if we go ahead and press run, it'll say, "Hi, I'm an AI." Now we can press enter and go down to the next line or whatever. Type print again, and it'll pop up the same thing. Put the quotation marks in, and you're gonna say, "What is your name?" Or whatever question or anything you want to put in there. It's fine. You don't have to do exactly what I'm doing. This is just for a show. So you're gonna then go down, and you're gonna type my name exactly how I spelled it, and space equals space input. It'll pop up right there, and it's gonna put. Don't worry about putting anything in the parentheses yet, just yet. So what this is saying, my name is the variable that we're using. So if we say my name, it'll put whatever you put in there. Input is waiting for the person to type in something. So if I go ahead and press play, it'll say, "Hi, I'm an AI. What is your name?" And then I can type in ScarDev and then press enter. Then it'll be done. It's waiting for me to type in something. That's just what input means. You could put in here like later on when I get more into stuff, you can put like if statements. So like for example, like if the name or stuff you type in equals ScarDev, then it says subscribe or something like that, which you should probably do. Hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps, and it helps me make more of these tutorials for you guys to learn. Okay, anyway, besides that, now we can go down to type print again. Same thing, quotation marks, and now we're gonna say, "It's nice to meet you, comma, space." And then we're gonna go outside of keep inside the parentheses, but go outside of the quotation marks, press space, then type plus, space, then type my name exactly how it's spelled. It should pop up, and it should have a V for variable next to it. And you can do that. And now, if I press play, up there it says, "Hi, I am an AI. What is your name?" You could go down and you could type in ScarDev. Press enter. It says, "It's nice to meet you, ScarDev." Just like that, made the first basic AI stuff. You can expand on it and say stuff like, then you can say print again. You could say, "What should you do right now?" Question mark. And then we could type in action as our variable name. Names are important, and it labels what we are using the variable for and where to put it so we can keep track of stuff, because sooner or later you'll have like 20 variables and you don't know what to do with it. And so you're just going to do the same thing as input and just leave it blank. Then you could say print. We pressed exactly. Then we are going to press play, and here's what mine is saying. Hi, what's your name? ScarDev. It's nice to meet you, ScarDev. What should you do right now? Subscribe. Exactly. So it's just stuff like that. It doesn't matter what you put in. Like I could say, hi, what's your name? I could go ahead and say Scooby-Doo. And it says, nice to meet you, Scooby-Doo. What should you do right now? Eat a Scooby snack. Exactly. Like, see, input, you can put anything in there, anything you absolutely want. And so you could keep on adding stuff. Then you can go print, put it in and say, like, stuff like, you could say, watch some tutorials from who? And you could do who equals input. And you could say print correct, comma, space, same thing as before, my name, yeah, and so now right here, if you guys want to copy my script, I can put it in the description for you. So far I've print, I am an AI. Print, what is your name? My name equals input. Print, it's nice to meet you, plus my name. Print, what should you do right now? Action equals input. Print, exactly. Print, watch, watch, watch some tutorials from who equals input, print correct plus my name. So it would be like this. I'm an AI, what's your name? ScarDev. What you do right now? Subscribe. Exactly. Watch some tutorials from who? ScarDev. Correct, ScarDev. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. It's free. You can always undo it. It's very fun to make all these tutorials for everyone who watches. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.